Thank you to all of our sponsors for making our Computex 2023 coverage possible.
Now, we all know G.Skill are synonymous when it comes to memory, SSDs, but they always try to do something a little bit different from time to time, and this is no different. This is the Widgie Dash. Now, we all know the Stream Deck. We know that there's products from Elgato. We know there's products now at least coming in the market from the likes of Streamplify. Well, this just takes it one step further. Instead of having buttons, we just have all screen. So we've got a 7-inch touchscreen, 1024 by 600 pixels, capacitive touchscreen. What you can do with this is, well, frankly, anything. The possibilities are endless. So, starting off, we've got a few widgets here. You can see the software up, you can see everything here, and I'm going to show you how intuitive it is. So we've got the time, we've got the weather and things like that, but we have the likes of HW Info. So it's actually set up as a page, and if we click on that, then suddenly we get all of the information that we wanted that we actually put into the software from HW Info. So we've got the likes of the core clock, and you can change it as well between sort of numbers to graphs, so you can see how it's actually going over time, memory clock speed, GPU temperature, CPU package, and so much more. Really, you can customize this to have the data that you want on there. Unlike an Elgato Stream Deck, where really it only does, say, a function where you're actually pressing it to open or close an application or actually create a function. Whereas this is actually giving you data. And just, if you want to go back to the main screen, click main, and you can see how quick it is as well. Now, in the software, you do get sort of full control over each independent widget. So what you can do with that is you can make things smaller, you can make things larger. So right now we have AIDA64 as a 1x1. We could actually set that if we really wanted to a 2x4, so it takes up even more space. Really, it comes down to you. Now, when it comes to what you actually want on the screen, because you can do each kind of individual page, it's almost like having folders or some kind of hierarchy. So what you're actually getting from that is the likes of going into OBS, and you can change scenes, 1, 2, 3, main, takes you back again, Spotify, you've got volume up, volume down, Twitch, again, you can see your chat on there if you really want to do that. So they haven't told us concrete pricing. They are a little bit away from kind of where they want to be because they are still tweaking the software. They have told us that the final design of the unit is going to look like this, so this is what you can expect. It does connect over USB. Now, when it comes to the software, that may be tweaked ever so slightly, but what they're actually hoping to do is, obviously, they've got the core kind of parts of it in there in terms of HW Info, OBS, there's hotkeys, Spotify, Twitch. But once it's actually out in the wild, there's nothing stopping them opening it up to the community and letting people design their own apps for it using, the software. And I guess really with that, you could do absolutely anything with this. I'd hazard a guess, price-wise, it's going to be about $150 to $200. Don't quote me on that. But either way, one of the coolest things we've actually seen here at Computex 2023, especially considering it's from G.Skill and it's not even memory related. But I think this is going to be perfect for the likes of modders who could take it, put it inside a case and, get all the data that they need all in one place. It's much easier than, cutting down the bezel off of a screen and tweaking it and having it as a multi-monitor setup. This just makes things so much easier. There you go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Remember to stay tuned for more Computex 2023 coverage, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.